Alright, ladies and gentlemen, what we're doing today is we're doing Panini 2009-2010 Adrenalyn XL. I've got 2 boxes of them here. I actually did I had 3 of them, and the one that I did yesterday without the camera, I got these 3. So this is kind of what I'm looking for. Regular Curry, you already guys know that. Then we got this Prism of Blake Griffin, rookie, and Kevin Durant Rainbow Prism. Now, I'm only probably, this is box number 1, and this is box number 2. I'm probably only going to stop for a second just to put away, just the sleeve cards that go straight into PSA. Okay? Hasheem Thabit, Tony Douglas, Mike Dunleavy, Corey Maggette Rainbow, Nene Rainbow, Ryan Anderson rookie, Johnny Flynn, Larry Hughes Rainbow, Taylor Griffin rookie, Jermaine Taylor rookie, Zaza. Nobody special, I just like seeing his name apparently. Dwayne Wade, that's a good one. Joakim. Tayshaun. Caspi. Collison. Rudy Gay. Kenyon Martin. Derek Brown. Chauncey. It's a spiral. Austin Day. Grant Hill Rainbow. DeMar Girl. Gerald Henderson. Charlie Villanueva. Tyler Hansbrough. Ron Williams. Sorry about that. Cat's going crazy. Probably messing with the dog. Troy Murphy. Michael Redd. Rainbow. Gold Sig. Monte Ellis. Spiral. I don't know. Nod. Jeff Pendergraph. Matt Barnes. Don't know why I called out Matt Barnes, but there you go. Okay, off to the second half of the first box. I'm not even going to attempt that. Brandon Jennings. Eric Maynor. Blake Griffin rookie. I'll go ahead and put that one aside. Rainbow. Tyreke Evans. Kobe. Rainbow Mark. Look at that hair, man. Turkaloo. Alston. The reason why I cracked these all instead beforehand is because Danny Granger is because they're 60. There's 6 cards per pack, 50 packs per box. So that would have been like a 25-30 minute video if I would have done them all one by one. So I just cracked them all and did that instead. Michael Beasley, Spiral. Jason Richardson. Ryan Gnomes. Yee. James Harden, rookie. Greg Oden. Drew Holiday. Tyrese Thomas. DeMar DeRozan. Yep, Steph. That's what we're looking for. Kobe. Oh, it's a rainbow too. Nice corners. All right. So I guess I'll sleeve them later. I'll just put them in that pile. But that's gonna be a good one. That and Steph so far to put into PSA. LeBron. Mari Stoudemire. Raymond Felton. Blair. Marcus Thornton. Lester Hudson. Shane Battier, Rainbow. Blake Griffin. There's another one. That one's pretty cool. Yeah. Wayne Ellington, Brooke Lopez. Luke Ridnour. At the end, I'll end up comparing those two Blake Griffins that I have, but they're both awesome variations. B.J. Mullen. Ginobili. Alright, so that's box 1. Box 1's done. It's pretty cool. You got Blake Griffin. I'll show you at the end. I'll do that. We'll try to knock this out real quick. Brandon Jennings. LaMarcus Aldridge, Rainbow. Rudy Gay. Dwayne Wade, another one. Jeff Green. Lou Williams. Caspi again. Boozer. Nate Robinson. Mike Bibby, Rainbow. James Harden, rookie. Al Harrington. Drew Holiday. Richard Jefferson. DeMar DeRozan, rookie. David West did a good job last night. Last night was, in case you're watching this video in the future, Taj Gibson, rookie. In case you're watching this video in the future, it was the 2017 Game 5 Golden State Warriors win. Ray Allen, Rainbow. Jordan Hill. Thaddeus Young. Dwight Blair. Michael Redd. Tony Douglas. Mo Williams. B.J. Mullins. Jeff Teague. Rajon Rondo, Rainbow. Derek Brown, Ryan Gnomes, Terrence Williams, Shaq, Diesel for Cleveland, Vince Carter, that's a regular one, Austin Day, Josh Smith, Johnny Flynn, DeMar Carroll, Peja, Danny Granger, Rodriguez Burbo, Lamar Odom, Greg Oden, Tyreke Evans, Alston, Bell, Taylor Griffin, Wayne Ellington, Russell Westbrook. That one's a nice one too. Look at that. All right. LeBron, regular common card. Haslam, Thabit, however you say his name. Thornton, Scola, Steph. Looks like there's a little bit of rounding on that corner. That's too bad. Still might get a 9. Alright. Another Blake. Too bad I couldn't get a Curry like that. No Sione. Golden. Garcia. A lot of these same ones over and over again, man. Like, I guess back, you know, when it came out, Odin was supposed to be this big prospect. So if it's going to be such a big prospect, I don't know why they jam-packed him into everything. Gerald Wallace. Well, I guess I can understand, but David Lee, Jermaine Taylor, Spencer Hawes, Kobe, another one. Darren Collison, Andrew Bogut, Jeff Pendergraph, Chauncey, Eric Maynor, Gerald Henderson, Ilgauskas, Hansborough, and that's it. Okay, so we got Kobe Rainbow, Blake Griffin, Steph, Russell, DeMar DeRozan rookie, James Harden rookie, another Blake Griffin Rainbow, LeBron common. I don't know why I put that in there. Kobe, another Steph, DeMar, Harden, regular Kobe. Oh, it's because I top-load my Kobe's and LeBrons. That's why I put them in there. And a Blake Griffin rookie. Now, in comparison to the box number 1, these 2 Blake Griffins, I'll show you real quick before I sign off. Where'd they go? Alright. A little bit different variations. This one's a rainbow, and this one looks to be a spiral. Still both really cool cards. Still both going into PSA. Alright, thanks, guys.